Welcome to the Eaton Family Cattle Drive in the Yakima Canyon, 2026.
There's freedom found in leather reins and in the open spring. Through valleys wide we cut the trail as the wild wind calls. With every heart and every voice we answer as it falls. Dust and steel, that's how we roll under the wide bright sky. With a kick of spurs we raise a song and let our worries fly. Give me that good old country vibe, the moon to guide our way. On a cattle drive we find our lives, it's here we want to stay. In the twilight's glow, the cattle churn, the prairie